Okay, we're going to use PEMDAS to solve this equation. Well, not solve, but work through it, and that has negative numbers. If you remember, PEMDAS is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division are a part of the same priority set. So we go from left to right whenever we come across that. So let's start with parentheses. We don't really have any operations inside of any parentheses. So then we go to exponents. We have an exponent right here, negative 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, because 2 times 2 is 4, and a negative number times a negative number is a positive number. So this then becomes 4 times 4 plus negative 8, and then this is divided by 4, and then we go to multiplication and division. We go from left to right, so 4 times 4 is 16. So then this whole thing becomes 16. And then we do division. 16 divided by negative 4. Well, 16 divided by 4 is 4, but a positive number divided by a negative number is a negative number. So then this becomes negative 8 plus negative 4, which is equal to, so negative number plus a negative number gets you another negative number. It'll get you 8 plus 4 is 12. So this will be negative 12. There we go. That's the answer to that. Well, what about this one? What about negative 10 plus negative 3 to the power of 2 times 2 divided by negative 6? Well, we start with parentheses and exponents. We don't have any operations inside of any parentheses, so we go to exponents, which is negative 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and a negative number times a negative number is a positive number. So then this becomes 9 plus negative 10 times 2 divided by negative 6. Then we do multiplication and division. Multiplication and division from left to right. 9 times 2 is 18. And divided by negative 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. But a positive number divided by a negative number is equal to a negative number. So then this becomes, this part right here becomes negative 3. Negative 3. I'll just do it like that. Negative 3. Gosh. And then negative 10. What am I doing? Negative 10 plus negative 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. And this is negative 10 plus negative 3 is 13. Negative 13. There you go. And that's it. That's how you solve it. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And the answer is negative 13. Stay in school.